Now, subscribe to Bright Duty course at ₹1 per day only. Download Bright Duty app from Play Store and get the online courses prepared by competent and experienced teachers for different education boards of classes 6 to 10. Bright Duty courses are available for the subjects of Math, Science, Social Science, English and Hindi in English and Hindi medium. Bright Duty follows three-step approach, that is learning, assessment and exam preparation. In learning, topic-wise video lectures with explanation of concepts and discussion of textbook examples and questions are available with the solutions. In assessment, topic-wise online MCQ test, practice assignments and chapter-wise question bank are available with the solutions. In exam preparation, previous year's question papers, sample papers and model test papers are available with the solutions. Sign up today on Bright Tuesday and avail your courses at affordable prices.
Ma'am, could you please show heritage site?
Okay. So
Ma'am,
this is
can we
Mind
show
Jam
how to
contact
work
number.
with
If you want, you
alignment
can
board?
write that down. I have given one number on chat.
Ma'am, can you send the file of the last
talk
class?
to you.
Ma'am,
Can
can
we
Okay,
do
just a
click
second.
second time on popular
Listen. We'll do one thing.
मैम ऊपर मैम लिखा भी है यहाँ पे मैम ऊपर फोन नंबर वेबसाइट पे
हाँ, तो ये कॉल करोगे ना इन्हें, तो this person will respond you back even if that time phone is busy. He'll respond you back. ठीक है?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So let me admit all. Then I'll share the code. Last time many were not present.
Codes of last two classes of
Excuse me,
Friday
ma'am.
also, please.
We want to talk to you directly, then how can we do?
Directly to me. If you call them na, they'll contact me, and they whatever is required, they'll do that. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. No, ma'am, I wanted to say if some problem happens in the website when 15 coding classes are done, and on the 15th day when we are creating the website, it's not coming at the last moment. So, ma'am,
Bacha, tell me one thing. How many of you are there in this class? 250. If all of you start calling me, what will happen to me? Whatever. See, we are ahead of time. I have created this GitHub. हाँ, ये share करती हूँ. Take this.
एक्सक्यूज मी मैम जब अभी
मैम GitHub का ना लिंक शेयर करना, वो फाइल मत शेयर करना.
Ma'am, how can we change a file to a website? Can you share all the files, ma'am?
Okay. Listen now.
Ma'am, how can we change a file to a website?
That's what I am telling you na. That's what I am telling you. यहाँ पे I am sharing my GitHub link. Okay. Just everybody down copy this and go over there and save it. Save it somewhere. Save it in a notepad or somewhere. First do that much. Listen to me properly. First do this thing. I have shared my GitHub link. Open that. Open that. Is the website opening up for you?
important doubt.
Ma'am, but how can we copy this link? Because there's no
Ma'am, the
option in
website
this.
is opening.
अरे बेटा if we open this up, ये आया ना ऊपर, यहाँ से ये copy कर लो.
Okay, ma'am. Having a really important doubt. Ma'am, now you have sent it the GitHub link.
In webinar, it is not possible for me to guide you through that. Reason being, if one thing is not selected properly, it won't come, and it need to be done on individual basis. Like if 6-7 of you are there with me, I can individually do that. I can correct wherever you are wrong, right? So that is the reason you can't see your website onto GitHub, but mine can be seen because I have done that. ठीक है? First thing. Second thing, जिसको भी heritage or last time those who were not present, they can we are moving ahead of time. You guys have done fabulous job. बहुत अच्छे से तुम लोगों ने किया है और हमने बहुत speed up किया है काम को. हाँ, I was expecting कि हम 4 pages से ज़्यादा नहीं बना पाएंगे, but because all of you have done it so nicely, वो बहुत अच्छे से हुआ है. तो we are ahead of time. जो भी जिसके रह गए हैं थोड़े बहुत, we'll take one session to complete that, and today also can be that session. ठीक है, तो we'll complete that. Okay. So quickly, all of you, if you have not done it, quickly click on that link which I have sent, open it up, and URL will come up on top. Copy that and save it somewhere. Do this thing first. Okay? Once you have done that, now I am enabling the chat. Okay? So what you need to do is, I'll share how to check what need to be done in your program. क्या missing है, क्या नहीं हुआ है, all that. ठीक है? Snipping tool से snip करो और JPG form में image save कर लो. That also can be done. If you are having trouble in downloading the image and then getting it. ठीक है? That's also an option. Okay? I hope that is clear. Sana, there is one tool called a snipping tool. Search in your laptop snipping tool. SNIPPING, snipping tool. So that will help you to
Recording in progress.
to save it, right? So that can be done. Okay. So any page, if you are having problem with, just go view source, page source, and this will come up, this whole thing. Since we have done each one of them till this point, heritage till heritage, we have done it, right? So you can just check on any of the pages, so you'll find out what is written, so that the code is you can check the code with the content of it, what is displayed on the site. Okay, clear on this? So heritage we were doing. So those who are having problem, check the color styling, you must have missed it. That's the reason it is not coming. Okay. And today we'll start with serene beaches. Okay. So let's start with serene beaches. So again, open up your by default file which we have created already in 7th session and named it Serene Beaches. Open that file. Sanchit, I have already sent this whole thing, na? Okay, opened. Ready with your file? Show me your thumbs up if it's done. Okay, open it up. Right. Now you can see over here, this whole part, the above part is fine with us. This must already be coming, this much, top part. Right. Now we have to create this whole thing. Okay. So what we need to do is first create either an article or a section for this. Acha, isme you can see your body color is different. Kaise karenge body ko style? Tell me. Put it on chat how you're going to style your body so that color should come this one. Background color. Very good. Background color agar use kar rahe hain, so we need to write style and then background color. Otherwise, BG color with HTML. Right? Try that. Change the color. I'll tell the color code, what the color code is, and try to put it on your own. This is our beach thing, right? Okay, so the color name is F63D4 hash F63D4 ED34. You can choose your own color as well. Is it coming properly? No, this is not our last class.
Now, subscribe to Bright Duty course at ₹1 per day only. Download Bright Duty app from Play Store and get the online courses prepared by competent and experienced teachers for different education boards of classes 6 to 10. Bright Duty courses are available for the subjects of Math, Science, Social Science, English and Hindi in English and Hindi medium. Bright Duty follows three-step approach, that is learning, assessment and exam preparation. In learning, topic-wise video lectures with explanation of concepts and discussion of textbook examples and questions are available with the solutions. In assessment, topic-wise online MCQ test, practice assignments and chapter-wise question bank are available with the solutions. In exam preparation, previous year's question papers, sample papers and model test papers are available with the solutions. Sign up today on Bright Tutor and avail your courses at affordable prices.